Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of data structures. In today's session, we are going to see how to insert a node at a particular position in the double linked list. It means if you want to insert any node at a particular position, you can insert it in that particular position. In the previous sessions, we have already seen how to insert a node at the beginning of the list and also how to insert a node at the end of the list. See, to insert a node at a particular position, first we have to create a node by the help of malloc function. By the help of malloc function, we have to create the node and we have to enter the data into it. This is how the node get created. This is how the current node got created, and we have entered the data into it. And also we have to read the position. We have to read the position. If I want to insert this node at position number 3, I have to give the position as 3. If I want to insert the node at position number 4, I have to write as position number 4. First, for this, we have to assign the head node as temp node. Here you can see I'm assigning the head node as temp node. Next, I'm making c equals to 1. Now, is 1 less than 3? I'm checking the condition. Is 1 less than 3? Yes, it is true. So what I'm doing, and also I'm checking whether temp is not equals to null, because if I don't have any nodes in the list, it is not possible to insert at a particular position. So I'm checking whether this temp is equal to null. It is not equal to null because in temp the address of address 1004 will be stored. Now what I'm doing, I'm moving this temp from this node to this node by using the statement temp equal to temp link. It means temp is moved to temp link place. What is temp link? In temp link 1008 is there. So temp is moved to this position. Now I'm incrementing the count. Now count becomes 2. Again, I'm repeating the while loop. Now I'm checking is 2 less than 3. Yes, 2 is less than 3. So for that, what I'm doing, again, I'm checking the condition. Now temp is not equal to 2 and 2 is less than 3. Condition is true. So what I'm doing, I'm moving this temp to this place. So the next link place. Temp is will be moved to this place. Now similarly, again we are checking the conditions. If we get that particular position, suppose if I want to insert at this particular position, then what do? Is I remove these links and I establish the links between these, and also I establish the link between this node and this node. This is how it happens. You can see initially by allocating memory, you are having this is temp1 and this is temp, and this is the next node where the temp is moved to the last node. Now this is temp1. Now I am storing the address of this temp1 into current previous, and I am storing the address of this current in temp1 next. And also I'm storing the address of this current next place. I'm storing the address of temp, and also in temp before I'm storing the address of current node. So automatically the both links get established. See here, this is a statement for that. In temp1 next, I'm storing the current address, and in current previous, I'm storing the temp1 address. So this link get established like this. And with this statement, in current next address, temp address will be stored, and in current previous, current node temp previous, current address will be stored, where this get established like this. And this both links get disabled if we establish the link between this temp1 and current and temp1. This is how we can insert a node at a particular position. If you want to insert it in any node in a particular position, we have to travel from head node to that particular position. Hope you understood this session. Thank you.